Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here and welcome to my devlog. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top-down, old-school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. Alright, so if you guys like my games or the visuals or how I do it, then make sure you subscribe and watch the future devlogs because it motivates to keep working on my game and it makes me feel like at least someone wants to play it. So yeah, you can also give me some feedbacks. Also, I made a official Twitter and subreddit of Heilmwater. I'm a zoomer. I don't understand how Twitter works. It's an ancient app, so yeah, you can follow me or whatever, and you can join the subreddit because us zoomers don't use Twitter. We use Reddit, okay? And obviously, we also have the Discord. You can join Discord. I'm mostly online only on Discord, so yeah, all of those links are in description. Alright, so in this dialogue I'll do the visual update of my game. So I'll start by just revamping the tiles. As you can see, I just used my old tiles and just revamping it, making it slightly more, what do you say, organic. Just like use see, I'm adding slight details, like this tiles are not completely straight and have some I don't know what you call them, imperfections, like the breakage in the rock and thing. So I'm just making the tiles, making it seamless, and just yeah, making tiles. Not much. Hey guys, new Unity's version. It's with dark background now. I updated my project to this, but my project started in lightweight render pipeline. Then I updated it to URP, and this is the latest 2020 version URP. So I hope nothing breaks. I haven't tested much, but so far, like, I tested the first scene and the normal maps and stuff were working in there, so that's good. The next time lapse of me just replacing the old tiles with new tiles. Since I removed the global light from the cave, I actually have to add some light source, so I'm just making torch objects here, adding the torch object in the scene. Alright, so after I updated to Unity, I got this new things. Whenever I save a scene, it automatically generates these light settings. I'm not sure what it is. If anyone knows what it is, tell me. I added the cave light and let's see how it looks. You see cave light? It slightly flickers too. Alright, since I made the lights, now I need to make the normal maps so it can interact with the lights. So here's some of the time lapse of it, and here's the daylight cycle in action. You can see the trees have normal maps, that's why it's reacting to the lighting of the daylight cycle. I made it the shadow sprites, which you can see oscillating. It's just the scale of it is being transformed, and then at the center you get a solid circle sprite, all being done through code and some simple sine functions, just trigonometry. Here you'll see one more time the light cycle. Yeah, the center part, and then the trees again. Shadow looks pretty cool to me. Give your thoughts. Alrighty, so as you guys saw, my light up. Why is Unity 2 2020 version so slow? Like previous version didn't do that. So let me show you the cave version of the light. Added the torches. Looks like nice. See, it dynamically lights the part. You can see the ground being dynamically lit too. It affects on the trees too. So look, this side is darker, now this side is darker. As I move along, you'll see the tree becoming brighter on this edge. Added normal maps everywhere, and obviously the shadows, which you see right now. Main thing for the shadow is it's just tells you what time of the day it is, because in game you won't have this. So for day night cycle, the shadow is important because you can't see sky. Also, the shadow is basically just scaling. So if I do this and I just show you my arcane shadow, and it just scales. Can't show you while the game is running, but if I show something else which isn't running, let's shrink the tree because that sounds fun. Where is the respawn tree? Here, I'll shrink this one. Alright, so no matter what shape the tree has, once it shrinks it will go to a line, and line as a shadow is not very accurate, you know what I mean. So as you saw in the time lapse, when it gets to here, a circle shadow appears and the shadow gets opacity 0 basically. So yeah, there's that. And once we come back, this tree should have been fixed, I think. Once I got out of the editor, it should be fixed. You can see the tiles kind of popping out because of the normal maps. It's more bubbly now, if that's a word. Also, can we sprint? Yeah. So I'm gonna just walk here and show you how everything looks. Normal maps in action. Every light, even the torches have normal maps in action. Right, cool, right? Even this stuff has normal maps. Oh, I haven't added collisions yet. You can just run out of the map. So yeah, this stuff has, you see how it pops out? I should just go in circles and yeah, look at this one, how it's changing where the shadow is. Look at this one. So it's lit from bottom now, shadow is on top, and now it's lit from top and the shadow is on bottom. See how it dynamically changes? That's because of normal map. And right now the shadow, the trees are, it's noon right now basically, so it has this. Also it affects this slope. So see how from here the slope is getting light, and from here the light can't reach the slope. The main global light, the sun moving, also affects everything, as you saw in the time lapse. Alrighty, so that's all. I'm gonna add an NPC now. This is something I made in Llama Dev's stream just to kind of tease him as Llama Tsuyu, because his waifu is Tsuyu and he likes Llama because he's Llama Dev, I think. And I was going to add a Llama NPC for him anyways, so I'm gonna just add this one, I guess. It's quirky, definitely quirky. It's definitely cursed too. Alright, images, sprites, and Llama. Where did you go? Here. This is so dumb. Scenes. Subscribe to Llama Dev, by the way. Yeah. Currently doesn't have any dialogues, can't be interacted. It's a sprite, but it's a llama sprite. It's a start. Yeah. Next dialogue I'll add dialogues and stuff to it. So yeah, bye bye. Subscribe, like, share, bye.